Good morning, everyone. Today I want to work on this very nice VO-1000. Got this on eBay, came complete with the box, and it's actually very nice. This is one of the newer units. It has a little bit more detail. For example, they have the correct type of exhaust for each locomotive. So this one is actually, everything's perfect except for the previous owner painted the handrails yellow, which it looks like it was done by hand, and it doesn't look that great to me. Fortunately, this paint comes off. I was able to get the paint off the black one here at the back, so that looks much more realistic to me. So this is the zebra stripes paint scheme, which also I've really enjoyed this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove the handrails one by one and remove the yellow paint. You can just go with your nail and it just comes off. It's not hard to take it off. So I'm going to do that. See, it just comes off with your nail. So I'm just going to do that one by one, and then we'll take a look at the result. Now before I get started on that, I wanted to remove the shell because I don't want to get too much of these paint flakes in there. I want to keep that away from my drive system. But I'll also clean it too. It looks like it's going to run fine, but I'm still going to enjoy to get in there and clean it. Now before I get started, I'm just going to make a still photograph which has higher resolution of the handrails. So the shell came apart in 3 pieces. While my shell is drying, I'm going to work on the drive for you. So all you need to do is remove those 2 screws. Keep track of these retainers. They're very useful. Definitely don't want to lose them. And also, these the trucks only go one way, so retaining the order is going to be easy. Everything's in good shape. I'm going to clean the wheels just for my own personal satisfaction, but I don't even need to lubricate it. It's just really good shape. Nice. So the trucks are just like any other Atlas locomotive. Just pry them out very gently. And they'll come right out for you. Then I have access to my wheels, and I can get down to cleaning them. So I'm going to put the trucks back together with the contact strips. The contact strips go back a certain way. Make sure this little bump is on the inside next to the wheel. This is actually a bearing for these wheels, just like a real train. The bearing's on the outside. Also, this bump here that contacts your contact strip should be about the same height as the tower. So it goes this way. And then after that, you can put back your side frames. And then you'll hear it click when it's in the right place. You can check with your finger, make sure there's no rolling resistance. And I used to put oil in these, but I don't anymore. So let's see how it does on the track. Runs very well, no surprise there. So that's nice. Let's get back to the shell. So I put my shell back together with all the handrails. And now all that's left to do is to put it on the shell. And I'll give you a close-up using a photo, which is higher resolution. And now it's time to run some trains. So it's got a really low speed gearing, but it runs very smooth, and it's an engine I can enjoy for a long time. See you soon.